Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the physical chain is clean. Plug the keyboard into a rear USB port and remove any hubs. Next, install the correct ACO or vendor driver so the system talks low latency. Windows users need ACO for all only if no native driver exists. Once done, quit browsers and DAWs you are not using, because background audio threads increase jitter and CPU load that directly pushes latency higher. You now tune software. Open your DAW's audio settings and select the ACO driver and the specific USB keyboard device if available. Lower the buffer size to between 64 and 256 samples to cut round-trip delay, but make sure audio stays stable. If you hear clicks, increase until stable. Also, disable plug-in monitoring on the keyboard input and use direct monitoring when possible. Because real-time effects add processing latency, this makes a big audible difference. Finish by updating firmware on both the keyboard and your motherboard or USB controller, because fixes often reduce USB polling delays. Then verify with a different computer or use a 5-pin MIDI cable through an interface to isolate whether the keyboard or PC is causing latency. If you still hear delay, increase buffer a notch and profile CPU and disk activity. High load and DPC latency are common culprits, so fixing drivers or disabling power saving often resolves the last 10 to 20.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.